there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vero and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Archer&Olive December subscription box. As you may know, I am an Archer&Olive ambassador, so this box was gifted to me as part of their ambassador team. Unfortunately, the subscription box is not discount eligible. However, if you do want to support me as a creator, you can click on the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase the subscription box, I do get a small commission of no extra charge to you. Anyway, let's get into the fun part of the video, unboxing this beauty. When you open up the box, there are several products in here and I will detail each one of them with an overhead shot as well as one here. This box's theme color is kind of like muted pastels with florals, going for that cozy vibe. It's very, very aesthetic. And the first package that we have in here is a set of gel pens. I will be swatching these as well. There are 5 gel pens in the box with the Archer&Olive logo on the lid. These look so beautiful. I haven't yet had a chance to play around with Archer&Olive gel pens, so I'm really excited to try these. Now I'm just going to swatch these pens. I've kind of just made up names for them because I don't have access to the names yet, but this is what I thought of. So I'm going to start on black paper. The first color is gray, then we have pink. We have a brownie red, which I've just called brown. We have an orange and we have a blue. They do dry a little lighter on black paper than they do on white paper, which we'll swatch again on white. So here are the 5 colors again on the white paper. And then this is just a comparison of white paper and black paper so you see what the gel pens look like. Next up, we have this collaging set. This is a really pretty envelope and let's have a look. It's embellishing vellum sheets and stickers. I love Archer&Olive stickers. They are definitely really one of my favorite things. And you get a lot of sheets in here. Let's have a look. Also this packaging, beautiful. So we've got 2 sticker sheets, which are these ones over here. They are so beautiful and I will definitely be giving one of these sticker sheets to one of my lovely pen pals. And then we have some vellum paper as well, which is in 4 different colors, I believe. Super, super nice. I have never played around with vellum paper, so I'm excited to play around with this. I don't know what I'm going to do. This is probably going to be some sort of pen paling because that's one of the things that I like doing. Next up, one of the cool things is this decorative pen storage tin. And I'm going to open it here. It's in this blue packaging, so all the packaging is in this beautiful floral theme. And you have this beautiful little tin where you can store all of your pens. I'm assuming it's the size of all of the gel pens and the acrylographs, so it's really nice for travel, for decorative purposes. I'm sure you could even fit in some cookies into this and just hold them in a tin and then just have them on your desk and then just eat cookies out of the tin, which there is something coming up in this video about cookies in a moment. Anyway, it says positivity. You could also put tea in this, I guess. Super, super cute. Another hint as to one of the items coming up in this video. Also, just in case you were curious, this is what a calligraph pen looks like inside the tin. As you can see, the tin can't close with the calligraph pen in. However, this is what it looks like with the acrylograph pen in, and it does fit the acrylograph even when the lid is closed. So that's what that looks like. Next up, we have some new products in the box. These are things that I've never seen from Archer&Olive. I don't know if they've done something like this before. I don't think so. The first box is this mechanical pencil box. So in this, you get 2 pencils that are mechanical pencils. They are stunning in the same beautiful theme, and they have gold embellishing, so like so, with the Archer&Olive logo here, and you just click the top, I believe. Yep. Click the top and then the lead comes out. I'm assuming that you can replenish this somehow. Let's see which side you go. Actually, you know what? How does that work? Can you replenish it at all? Surely you can. Oh, there we go. So you just pop off the top there. Actually, you probably do it from the other end. Now if I can put it back together, let's see. Okay, so you pop off the top. Yeah. So you pop off the top of this one and then you can refill it. It looks like there's a 0.5 lead tips, which you can find at generally your local stationery store, and there are 2 of them. So for me, one of these is for me and then one will be for my mum. And it comes with this amazing, I love all these boxes and the packaging, it's just so aesthetic. It comes with a little pull out slidey box. Next up in the new novelty things in the subscription box are some stationery scissors. I have been dying to get my hands on some pretty stationery scissors and these are just divine. So when you open up the box, it comes out like this and it has the Archer&Olive little logo on the front here, and these are gold plated, or well, you know, scissors. They're so cute. I can't wait to use these in one of my videos to cut out Dutch doors and just to put them as accessories in all of my posts. They're so pretty. And also this packaging, oh my gosh. Next up we have the decorative tape, so some washi tape. These are very, very pretty. There are 4 of them, and I've just ripped the entire box, so whoops. So there are 4 of them. I will swatch these as well. This is what they look like. Finally, we have the 4 different washi tapes, and this is what they look like rolled out onto some white paper, and I absolutely love these. Next up we have 2 journals. So the first journal is a dot grid journal. This is white dot grid, 192 pages. It's beautiful. It looks pretty. I will unbox this in a moment. As you can see when I take off the pink cover, this is what the journal looks like. It is so beautiful. It's like a baby pink color with all of the Archer&Olive floral leaf patterns integrated with some little coffee mug. It has the classic elastic band, it has the 2 ribbons, pen loop, and the pocket at the back. The next journal we have is a square journal, and it is a lined notebook. It has 160 pages. I've never had a square notebook from Archer&Olive, so I'm really excited to use this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for though, so we'll just have to wait and find out. Could be a reading journal, although I already have a reading journal, so it's probably not going to be that, but we'll see. Maybe some scrapbooking or something like this. It is beautiful. Our beautiful square journal looks like this, again with the 2 ribbons. This time the ribbons are grey, matching the grey colour of the journal. I did think this was going to be a little bit more blue, but I'm very much in love with the grey colour of the journal, and I love the little symbol on the front. It's kind of like a storefront, little coffee shop front, which is really, really cute and cozy. There was a mention about something about the binding of these journals. I think this is a new kind of lay flat binding. I'm not entirely sure, so correct me if I'm wrong. But they look amazing, and I love how everything is put together. And the last item in the box, which is by far my favorite item of the entire box, is a cozy cafe. What? It's a cozy mug. It is beautiful. So it is this gorgeous little mug here. You take it out of the box and you have the Archer&Olive typical designs on the inside. It is a very small little mug, and I'm definitely going to be sipping some tea from this mug and have my cookies in my little storage tin. My desk is just going to be beautiful with all of these decorations. This is so pretty. I don't want to use this almost, like, you know, it's gorgeous. And that was all of the things in the Archer&Olive subscription box. Now, if you found these items really, really cool, you can unpause your subscription if you have paused it, or you can sign up by clicking the link down in the description below. If you want to see more of what Archer&Olive have to offer, you can check out this video next.